Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. Um, One of the things you'll definitely notice, and especially since we've really kind of gotten to like this rotational tape again, where money seems to be leaving tech and going into like other areas, is that stocks that dip just are treated much differently depending on what sectors are in, right? So we've had quite a few stocks get hit post earnings. Now the names that you'll tend to see like stay down, continue lower, are more in like those tech in the tech category, right? So like a name like Roku got hit on earnings, closed well off the low from where it was. Um, where it opened that morning, but you can see the stock is still stuck in like a lower range and really kind of like struggling to turn the corner back higher, right? Airbnb actually really didn't even have that bad of a report, but you can see that the stock got hit hard, kept going, it's trying to recover right now, but still a name that's like really got punished and broke some big support levels. So the dip kept dipping and it really did some damage, and it has a lot of work to do to kind of repair itself, right? Now you compare that to like a name like an AbbVie, so also dipped on earnings, right? Got hit, sank back below the 200-day, but um, the difference with AbbVie is that it's in the healthcare and in the pharma space, and like it's been that area specifically has been extremely strong with a lot of like big names putting in new highs. So whereas names like maybe like Roku and Airbnb remain under pressure, put in lower lows, bounces stall at lower highs, right? AbbVie got back below the 200-day, and now it's starting to make a run again, right? So it's already into the gap. It's already reset all of its near-term moving averages, and it's moving into like the gap from earnings. So when you're looking at stocks that maybe have gotten hit post earnings, really take a step back and say, okay, like is this a stock that's in an relatively strong sector or relatively strong group, and that got slipped up or it slipped up on earnings, got hit a little bit harder, right? Maybe that's something that could bounce back quicker, versus like something that got hit on earnings that's in like a weak sector, downtrend, like overall like weak environment for like that stock or like that group of stocks. Well, those might be the names that could take a little longer, or they're the ones that maybe like if the market does end up turning lower, they could be some of the first names to turn lower as well. So I think you need to really like kind of like classify like the dips, right? Like not every stock that gets hit on earnings is going to come roaring back just because we're in a little bit like a market grind higher here, right? You really need to like focus on like the names that are showing like leadership, and there's plenty of them, because I mean a lot of the value names and all sorts of different like sectors are really starting to like show like good quality leadership. It's just tech that's really been lagging quite a bit. All right, so we'll see. Definitely going to be a busy conclusion to the week. A lot of things coming up, and we'll just take it one day at a time. All right. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night. Stay well, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.